Hi guys, this is White Season here, back with another video. Sorry if the video quality is not that great. My camera just died, so I have to film with a different camera. Now that being said, that's off my head. Hopefully I get a new camera by Christmas, but you never know. So today we have to replace the control panel cover because the thing is that if you open it up, if you look here, there's a nice good crack right here. So what I'm going to have to do is replace the cover. That's going to be very easy to do. I'm going to take it off. Oh, sorry. 1 second. And now you're going to have a screw here, 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 and here. Now you could use like a regular screwdriver, but I'm going to make it a little bit quicker and use a drill. So we're going to unscrew it here. Guess this wasn't installed properly and missed the screw, so we'll move on to the next. And then we'll move on to this one. Might have to go up a setting. 1 second, guys. Okay, there we go. Reset this back to 1 and undo this screw. Okay, that isn't good. So now, that's the thing, is that this screw is, the plug in here went bad. So the screw just keeps on spinning, spinning, and spinning. Yeah. So I'm going to grab a couple of tools and we're going to fix that problem. So the first thing you want to do is remove the cover plate, but before we do, try to grab my key without showing you guys. We're going to unlock the electrical panel. Go in here, and this is a 20 amp main breaker. I'm going to shut that off. Now we'll have to remove the cover plate here. Now the cover plate looks a lot different. That's because I upgraded the whole entire system to stainless steel cover plates. So they look a little bit like they actually look a lot nicer. As some of you guys might agree. And the reason why we're removing that, and I just realized this as I was taking apart the control panel, is because this is going to get in the way of removing the actual thing. Alright, and now the reason why there's no box in here, because this is a control panel, so I can fit a box in here, but that's okay because the cover plate protects you either way. Now, if you're working on an actual electrical light switch that controls the light in your home, you want to have that box, but on my system, this is okay. So now, what we're going to do, I'm going to try to do this with one hand, is bend it like this, and slowly remove the screw. Try to Sorry, you've seen something there. And just by moving it the other way, we took it apart. So now, not only we have to put a plug in here, but we have to replace this plug. You know. So, easy way to do that is to grab one of the screws that screws into here normally. Yeah, this thing. And you just pull out just like that. Yeah, so now we have 2 plugs that we have to replace, but that's okay because a new cover for the control panel will come with plugs, so that's going to be completely okay. And so also you want to make sure you take your I got this from the hardware store. This is normally used to put on your thermostat, so that way nobody can change this. These are normally used in like restaurants or public places. You know what I mean? But you want to make sure you take this with you so you get the correct size. And I will be back once I get back from the hardware store. Just a little update, guys. I put this cover plate back on just so this system completely operational. What I have to cover off is just a little annoying that it's cut. So I'll see you once I get a new cover. Anyways, with the new cover, we put a screw in here, one way here, and the same thing here and here. Now all we have to do is add the other side of the cover, just like so. This one's a bit small, but I got it to work. Just like so. That looks perfect. Now we can go in here, turn on the main breaker, and we are done. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.